Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. It's a sign that economic recovery could be going at a faster pace than projected. That's Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke reacting to the Planning Institute of Jamaica's preliminary estimate of 12.9% growth for the April to June quarter. Now, I spoke with Dr. Clarke about the estimates this morning.
It's the highest rate of quarterly growth that has ever been recorded in Jamaica. Now, why is this significant? It is significant because what it means is that the pace of recovery could mean that we could attain pre-COVID levels of economic output much sooner than we had originally forecasted.
The original projection saw a return of pre-COVID-19 levels of growth in another 2 to 4 years. If achieved, this would also account for the fastest economic turnaround from a fiscal crisis. The 12.9% estimated growth is up from consecutive quarters of decline. But what does this registered growth signify?
This doesn't mean that everything is hunky-dory for everyone. Not at all. An expansion of economic output just means that. It means that economic activity for that quarter, right? The buying and selling that took place during April to June of 2021 was much larger than in the previous year.
Mr. Clarke says the knock-on effect of growth can be significant.
If we can sustain economic growth, then the revenue increase will be sustained, and it allows us to improve public services, to expand public services, to increase opportunities for citizens, health, education, roads, water, social assistance, security, and as well as just job opportunities.
In the meantime, Dr. Clarke says government revenues for the April to June quarter also improved.
While government revenues declined by approximately $74 billion last year in the 2020 to 2021 fiscal year, for the first quarter, we have seen government revenues increase by approximately $24 billion, April to June 2021 over April to June 2020.
He says it's still a long way to go before recovering that lost revenue. However, it's still an encouraging sign. Now on to today's currency trading. It's costing an average $152.26 to purchase the U.S. currency. The Canadian dollar is trading at $121.27. The pound is for $211.69 and $181.19 for the euro. The JSE index advanced by 3,833 points, while the junior market index declined by almost 4 points. Among today's winners were Sterling Investments US dollar shares, 1834 Investments, Fesco, Caribbean Cream, and T-Tech, while on the losing side were ISP Finance Services, Stationery and Office Supplies Limited, SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, Main Event Entertainment Group, and Paramount Trading Jamaica. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys, regional and international news right after this break.